Hi, I'm going to do the simplifying fractions. I believe Colin asked for more practice on this, but I'm sure we can all use a little extra practice. Why not, right? Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is, I have to make this bigger so I can actually see it. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take care of the exponent outside the parentheses and any of the negative exponents. So I'm just going to draw a fraction bar. And I have 4a squared, which is going to stay in the numerator. And then I'm going to square the 3b to the 4th so that I have that simplified. So 3 squared is 9, and b to the 4th squared is b to the 8th. Okay. So now the 2 is going to stay in the denominator, but the a to the negative third, in order to make that exponent positive, it's going to go to the numerator. So it's always a reciprocal. So things that are in the numerator go to the denominator, things that are in the denominator go to the numerator, because it's always that flip, that reciprocal. The 4 to the negative first power is going to go to the numerator for the same reasons I just said, and then the b is going to stay. So I'm basically going to condense or simplify everything and then see if I have to simplify again. So I've got 4 times 4 times 9. I'm just going to put that in my calculator. And that gives me 144. And then I have a squared and a to the third, which is going to combine to a to the 5th. And then I have b to the 8th. And that's over 2b. So I can definitely simplify that because 144 is an even number. It's definitely divisible by 2. So that gives me 72, a to the 5th. And remember, with division, you subtract exponents. So there's that 1 there that we don't see. 8 minus 1 is 7. So it simplifies to that. Okay, and they all pretty much work the same. It's just kind of going slow, all right? So again, I'm going to draw my fraction bar. The 2a squared is going to stay. And then I'm going to actually do this squaring of the negative 3 b to the 4th. So negative 3 squared is 9. B to the 4th squared is b to the 8th. Now this time, the whole thing is being squared, and also it's going to be the reciprocal because it has a negative exponent. If I square it, I get 4a squared, but because it has that negative exponent, I'm going to put that into the numerator. That says a squared. Just the 4 has the negative 1, so that's going to go to the numerator, and the b is going to stay on the bottom. So now I can totally simplify this. I'm going to do 2 times 9 times 4 times 4, and that's 288. The a's, those will come together, and that becomes a to the 4th power. And then I have b to the 8th over b, which again, when you divide, you subtract exponents. So I get 288, a to the 4th, b to the 7th. Okay? I would just go slow with these. All right, so the 14a squared b is a stay. This whole thing is being squared, and also it's a negative exponent, so it's going to use the reciprocal, go to the denominator. So I'm just going to square it. That's going to give me 9b to the 8th, but that's going to go on the denominator, 9b to the 8th. Okay, that 2 is being cubed, which would make it an 8, but that's going to go to the numerator. And then the a to the 3rd is going to stay, and the 3a b to the 4th is going to stay. So those are all kind of just staying where they are. All right, so 14 times 8. You can also try to pre-reduce, if you see a 2 in the denominator, you can always divide, but nothing looks common because 9 and 3 is going to be 27, and 14 times 8 is 112. So I've got 112 a squared b over 27 a to the 3rd and a makes a to the 4th, b to the 8th and b to the 4th makes b to the 12th. So I am going to have to simplify this. I'm quite confident because 14 is 2 times 7, and there's nothing common between the 9 and the 3, so that is numerically simplified. Okay, so this a squared is going to leave me with a squares in the bottom. And then this b is going to leave me with b to the 11th in the bottom. Okay, and then I'm just going to copy the 27. So that should be it. That's simplified. They're kind of hard to check because there's more than one letter, but if you just kind of go back and talk yourself through it, you should be okay. Hope this helps, and if you have any more questions, just shoot me an email. And that's it, right? Not sure why it's not stopping.